Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me a D-tan kit, and this is from the brand Ozone. And this is the D-tan kit I'm talking about. This is a 4-step procedure, so let's talk about this in detail. So this is the first step, and this is the Ozone D-tan face wash, and this cleanses, removes tan and imparts healthy skin. This is a sulfate-free face wash, and this will work very gently on your skin, and also this has cucumber and aloe vera, which will help in calming your skin, and also as this has licorice and green tea, that will help in removing tan for a more radiant and youthful look. This is paraben, silicone and petroleum free, and this is the consistency of the face wash. This has a honey like consistency, and this has an amazing fragrance. This smells very good. This smells very fresh, and I don't know, like a fresh fragrance. This will work very well for people who have especially dry skin, but as winters are already here, everybody must be needing this kind of a face wash. This is going to cleanse your face without making it feel very dry. So let's just quickly see a demo of this. Okay, so this is the face wash, and you have to use this twice a day for best results. As you can see, this has a honey-like texture. This does not give a lot of lather. So this face wash is basically indicated for tanned, dry, mature, combination, sensitive, oily and acne prone skin. And after washing, you can see how nice and fresh my face is looking. Okay, so this will be the second step, and this is the Ozone D-Tan Scrub, and this will remove dirt and tan. This will exfoliate your skin and also will renew skin cells. This is an exfoliating and cleansing D-Tan facial scrub, and this has walnut powder, aloe vera and licorice extracts. And this is going to exfoliate and deeply cleanse your face. All in all, this is going to gently exfoliate your skin, and also this will remove all your dead skin cells, and also at the same time this is going to impart a nice and healthy youthful glow. This is the texture of the scrub. Yeah, the granules are very minute, they are not very chunky, so this is good for people who have sensitive skin like me. Like if I use a scrub that has big chunky exfoliating particles, my skin turns extremely red. But this one is very good. This has very minute particles, so they are going to be very gentle on your skin, and there won't be any redness or anything on your face or irritation after using this. If you don't believe me, I can show you right now. So let's just see a demo of this as well. Okay, so this is the Ozone D-Tan Scrub, and this is suitable for all skin types including normal, dry, oily, combination and sensitive skin. It is formulated to be safe and gentle, ensuring that anyone can use it without the risk of adverse reactions. You can use this twice or thrice a week depending on the condition and texture of your skin. And after washing and using this scrub, you can see my face doesn't look red or irritated at all. This is the third product and third step, and this is the Ozone D-Tan Face Pack, and this replenishes, removes tan and hydrates. This has aloe vera and cucumber, so this face pack works on deeper layers. This has shea butter, which deeply nourishes your skin for a soft, supple and more glowing appearance. By the way, if I forgot to tell you, the scrub also has a very nice and mild and lively kind of a fragrance. It's mild, it's not very overpowering. Okay, so this is the face pack, and this is the consistency of the face pack. One of the best things about this face pack is that this is quite light in consistency, a bit of a runny consistency, I would say, thick runny consistency. So it's very easy to apply on face, because I have applied face packs that are very thick, so it gets a little difficult to apply on face, and this one dries off also very quickly, like under in 7 minutes this will dry off. So you just have to wash your face once it's completely dry. This also has a very nice lemony, cucumbery kind of a fragrance, very fresh fragrance, I would say. So let's just see a demo of this as well. So this is the Ozone face mask, and this has a unique blend of ingredients like kaolin, aloe vera and zinc oxide that work together to nourish and hydrate your skin. And this also helps in removing excess dirt, impurities and oil from your face. So this is very good for people who are having oily skin as well. So you can see after washing, my face is looking so nice and fresh, no irritation, nothing. So this is the fourth product and the last step of this detan facial kit, and this is the Glow for Sure sunscreen lotion with an SPF of 30 PA+++. This will enhance brightness and will protect you against UVA and UVB rays. This is organic actives enriched. So this is going to protect your skin against the harmful UVA and UVB rays. This prevents suntans, sunburns, blemishes and skin darkening, and also this promotes uniformity of skin. And if you regularly use this, you will get a softer, smoother and blemish-free skin. This is a product which has always been on my top priority. I never forget to apply sunscreen when I'm going out because it is very important to keep your skin protected. If you have to be out for a prolonged period of time, our skin can get extensively damaged and the damages are sometimes non-reversible. So it is very important to keep your skin safe and healthy. I never miss applying a sunscreen while I'm going out. So this also has a very nice kind of a texture, and this also has a very nice fragrance, nice fresh kind of a fragrance. The texture of the sunscreen is not very thick. It's not very light, it's not very thick, and this kind of absorbs very easily on your skin, and this does not leave any white cast. This is absorbed. Oh, the fragrance is very nice. Somewhat flowery, fruity kind of a fragrance. So as you can see, this has absorbed very easily as winters are here almost. So you have to apply sunscreen. It doesn't matter whether it's winters or summers. The intensity of sun is the same. So UVA, UVB rays are the same. So do apply this sunscreen, and you have to apply this 20 minutes before going out, and you have to apply it on the exposed parts of your body, face, neck, arms, or whatever is exposed. You have to apply it over there, and yeah, stay safe in the sun. And if I forgot to mention, this also has sea fern extracts, and no wonder. This has a nice fragrance, marine kind of a fragrance, like, yeah. Okay, so this is the Ozone Glow for Sure sunscreen lotion, and this is an oil-free and non-comedogenic product, which means this won't clog your pores or cause acne breakouts. And also this is waterproof and sweat-proof, ensuring long-lasting protection. And as you can see, this doesn't leave any white cast, and this feels quite light on skin. Yeah, I'll put the link of this kit in the description box, and I would ask you to give this a try because tanning is something we cannot ignore. We get tanned very easily, and especially during this time of the year, we feel like sitting out in the sun. So do not sit in the sun without applying a proper protection. Just don't go and sit just like that. Take proper protection and sit in the sun. And I'm again saying I'll put the link of this kit in the description box. Go and buy it, and this is very economically priced. This is not pricey at all. So yeah, click on the link and grab these products now. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.